Own Nvidia. Don't trade it. That's been my mantra for ages now, and it's one of the best calls of my lifetime. After this magnificent run to just under 1,140, up another 7% today, well, maybe you got to start wondering, is it just luck? Did my charitable trust simply get caught up in some sort of crazy maelstrom? After a day when Nvidia really did define the trading, Dow declining 217 points, S&P inched up 0.02%, tech-laden Nasdaq gained 0.59%. It's worth looking at Nvidia and asking, is it too much? Or, as the bears would put it, enough already! Now, there are at least two schools of thought about Nvidia. There's one of the rigor, one of my favorite analysts in the stock, that's Ben Reitzes from Melius Research, who put out a piece this morning titled, Nvidia shares still pack a lot of value, end quote. And then there's the momentum analysis from Dan Fitzpatrick, a technician who nailed Nvidia better than most. Of course, given how long we've owned this one for the Charitable Trust, I have my own opinions. I love Nvidia. Why? Because it remains an intellectual powerhouse run by the smartest person I've ever met, Jensen Huang. More than a decade ago, he traced out what could happen with accelerated computing and artificial intelligence. He knew he'd develop super-fast chips that could do amazing things, including human-like inference and human-like learning. What I didn't realize when I first met Jensen was he was obsessed with the concept of speed, the speed you need to run cutting-edge video games since 1993 when he co-founded the company. At one point, Intel considered going against Nvidia, but they weren't interested in the graphic cards business, staying focused on old-fashioned central processing units. Ultimately, graphic cards ended up having much more computing horsepower, to the point where they now do a heck of a lot more than graphics, and Intel, on the other hand, no.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.